In today's Fusion mode, we will learn how to split a body. First, you gotta make your square as always. I like to go 50 by 50. Now, you try and click on your tool, but it doesn't work. There's one more step. You have to make a line. Press L on your keyboard for the shortcut and click on the face you want to make. Look for that X and triangle. That means you're in the middle of the body. Now, complete the line and hit Finish Sketch. Now, click on your Split Body tool and click back on that square. And then click Splitting Tools and hit Select and then click on your line. Now you can do Extend Splitting Tools, that makes it go through the line, or just all around. Press Enter and then hit M on your keyboard and click on one of the faces. M is the hotkey for move. And then you can pull it back and you can see it was split